afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional on this Sunday afternoon in a weekend edition of Saturday Sunday, January the 27th, 28th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles in this additional: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. It's time for the jigsaw Sudoku, the last puzzle for this afternoon. And this one will be number 7889. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, oh no, we have another one here, always a 1. Yeah, the single box. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. No, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. How about, oh no, here another dual box. The 2 is already given, so that box should be a 1. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Let me check. For triple boxes, no triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box, contains the 1, the 2, 3 and the 4. And when you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the box, the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Well, the 1, 2 and 3 could be everywhere. I cannot fill those numbers, need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Alright, same for here. These are 3 missing numbers, the 1, the 2 and the 3. Need more information. And we have more here, another one. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in, so 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this quadra box is number 2. We have a 2 here, so these 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 and this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and the 4. More quadra boxes? Nope. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions. For example, we have here the L shape upside down. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. Do we have more L shapes? Let me check. Yeah, another L shape here. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the Z construction, rotated here? When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is connected with that box, so 2 and 5. Then this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 1, need a 1 there. Well, in this area we need a 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be there, because if I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also 1, but we already have a 1 here in this same area. So the 1 is supposed to be here. Alright. These 3 boxes, so the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. This box can be 1, this box can be 4. 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. Then these 2 boxes can be a 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box, should be so a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. Is also connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 4 or a 5. Well, it can be 5 anymore. We have a 5 here, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Then. Let me think, these 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. Of course, it's connected with each other, this box. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 5. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. 2 and 5. Two numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be in, a 4 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes in there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra L shape should be there. And I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there, so 1 is left in this quadra L shape for the number 2. Alright. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 4 and 5. 2 or a 5, we have a 2 now, so this can be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Need a 2 here, yeah. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 4. So 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These two boxes surrounding 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for us. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These two boxes can be 4, these two boxes can be 1, so the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Let me give this a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the last puzzle for today. The Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now and have a great and fantastic Sunday.